hello. I was just listening to some music. Today's my birthday. I don't know what I should do next.
You should do something outside.
I should?
Yeah, time to go.
What should I do outside?
Pick berries in the forest.
Ooh,
Oh, that does sound nice.
yeah.
I'll need something to put the berries in.
Use this.
Oh, this is perfect. I wonder how long I should be gone for.
How long should you be gone?
Shabba-dabba-dabba-dabba.
For 2 or maybe 3 hours.
Yeah.
All right, I guess I'm going to pick some berries.
Dabba-gabbo.
In the forest.
For 2 or maybe 3 hours.
For 2 or maybe 3 hours. Goodbye, Gus. Goodbye, Karrot.
Goodbye, Lucy. Oh, she had no idea. Cuckoo, let us know when Lucy's back.
Okay.
Quick, let's put up sun decorations.
Woohoo!
We must hurry before she gets back. Okay.
Dabba-go.
No, a little higher.
Dabba-go.
Little to the right.
Dabba-gabba-da.
There's only one right, Karrot.
What?
Oh,
Shabba-gabba-gabba-gabba. Yup.
okay. I think it's L-O-O-C.
No.
Lucy.
Shamakadabokoda.
Yeah, I think it is. No,
I see
no,
tobacco.
to the right.
Dabba-go.
I don't know how to explain this. Maybe if I just... Whoa.
Goose. Double.
Sorry.
Double-lu-uka.
Lucy.
No.
Lucy.
Doesn't
Okay, I'm telling you, it makes
No,
sense. Karrot, how many more do you think we need?
Manatoka. Makatapeluibo. Ma-daboda.
Yeah, good idea.
Yep.
Like I always say, you can never have enough balloons. Ow, I put too much in here.
Oh, that's better. Oh, what? Dabanabigo. My voice. What happened to my voice? Oh my goodness. I sound like you, Karrot. Namadami. Namaga. Amagi. You sound so hilarious, Karrot. My goodness.
Okay, it's time to make a birthday cake.
Oh, yummy.
Flour,
Check.
sugar,
Check.
butter,
Check.
eggs.
Carrot.
Eggs.
No eggs.
Really? No eggs?
Hey parents, download the Bentkey app. New episodes available every Saturday.